Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is FOZIL, and in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down one of the trades that I took last week. I specifically traded Tesla options. I was scalping, getting in and out quickly. So in today's video, I'm going to break down how I was able to make $110 within just 4 minutes. As I said, I was scalping, I got in and out quickly at the breakout. I'm going to hop onto my computer right now and also put a screenshot right here of my P&L for the day and also my entries and exits so that you guys know that's 100% legit. I'm going to hop onto my computer right now and pretty much review my trade, specifically my Tesla trade for the day, and show you guys exactly why I got in, what did I see before I got in, and why did I exit my trade. So basically a whole review of my trade with Tesla. Hopefully you'll enjoy. Let's hop onto my computer and get started with this video. All right, as you guys can see, I have the TOS, the Thinkorswim platform opened up. That's the brokerage account that I use. As you guys can see, this is the 5-minute chart of Tesla. Basically, I like to look at 5-minute and the 1-minute chart when I am scalping. But basically, my thought process was, after hours right here, as you guys can see, this gray area represents the after hours and the pre-market. Pretty much what I saw was that after hours, the Tesla stock really rallied up. The reason for that was that there was a good catalyst, the 5-to-1 stock split. A lot of people thought that was a good catalyst. That's why it rallied up after hours. But pretty much during the pre-market, there wasn't a big movement. Before the market opens, I like to set my pre-market highs and the pre-market low levels, so that I have some sort of a supply and demand zone. Pretty much if I switch to the 1-minute chart so that I can show you guys my entries and exits. All right, basically as you guys can see, this is the August 12th, the pre-market right here. As you guys can see, that's where you can see the date, August 12th. What I was seeing is that I was seeing exactly this right here before the market was opening. And soon as the market opened, it got rejected at this pre-market high area, the zone. I don't like to set like a strict lines. I like to set my levels and kind of treat them as a zone. So as you guys can see, it got rejected right around this level, this zone, and then it sold off, and then it found a support right around this area, 1435, and then after that it kept rallying up. Once it started breaking out of this high of the day as well as the pre-market high area, then I started watching, and as you guys can see, if I zoom in a little bit, the volume kicked in, and that was a really good, really strong break. And then after that break, it kind of pulled back a little bit, and that was a really good, healthy pullback, because as you guys can see, it pushed up, took a break, it pushed up, took a break, it pushed up again, and took a break, and it, the same thing here. And then after that, I started watching. And since I saw on the level 2, if you guys are not familiar with level 2, this is what I'm talking about, the level 2 and the time and sales. Right here, as you guys can see, on the level 2 and the time and sales. But right now, obviously, it's not working. But pretty much on the level 2 and the time and sales, I was seeing that the bid was holding above 1466. Pretty much the bid was holding above 1466, and the price, the buyers were hitting the ask consistently with a big size. So that gave me a kind of confirmation to get in right before the breakout, the next retest breakout. So I got in at 10:12 right here. As you guys can see, I'm going to put a screenshot of my entries and exits so that you guys can see. I got in right around somewhere here, and then I was able to hold up and get out right above right there. The reason why I got out is because I saw that Tesla made a new high of the day, and the 1480 level was a strong level. If you look at the history of Tesla, around 1480s, that was a big rejection area, but I wasn't comfortable enough to hold. And also keep in mind that my strategy was just getting in and getting out quickly. I was scalping. I wasn't planning on holding this position for a day or anything like that. But obviously, if you look at it at the bigger picture right here, if I zoom out a little bit, obviously I would have made a lot more money if I were to hold all day, but you can't look at it that way. You can't let FOMO get into you, because you have to know what your strategy was. Mine was obviously scalping, getting in and getting out quickly. I made my profits for the day. I was happy and I got out. I followed my plan. Everything worked out really well. So I can't beat myself up, look at the daily chart and say that, oh, I should have held for the day, I would have made X amount of money. Obviously those same cons went 5,000% if I were to hold throughout the day, but you can't look at it that way. You can only rate your trades based on the performance, based on your game plan. Did you follow your game plan? Did you get in where you said you were going to get in? And did you cut your losses or took profits at the place that you were gonna take, which I clearly did. I was happy with my 110 profits within just 4 minutes, and then I walked away. I didn't enter because I wasn't in front of my computer after 11 a.m. So I called it a day after 11 a.m. But that is pretty much it for this video. $110 in 4 minutes. Hopefully this breakdown video of my trade helped you guys out. If it did in any way, make sure you guys subscribe. In this channel, I plan to document my journey as a stock options trader, as well as make investing, personal finance videos on the side here and there. So if you guys are new, definitely consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.